Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we're doing our mid-month check-in for the year of the make-alongs, October 2025 make-along. I do apologize in advance for the abomination that is this, but I have this weird 20-minute window here where I have time to film, and plans changed quite a bit in the last 3 hours for what I'm going to have for the rest of this week. So I am filming this on Tuesday, only 2 days before this is going up, but in the next 2 days, things are dramatically going to change. I'll be honest, I probably had time to throw on some makeup. I'm having a bit of an issue with my anemia and just not feeling it. So it is what it is. We're going to go with the super pale look and hope for the best here. So mid-month check-in. October's theme here is deep stash. We went into the annals of history and we pulled from the deep stash. So for me, I had 2 colorways of Alpaca Love, which was part of the Stitch Nation line from Red Heart. I do believe that when I was going through things, I saw I did get this like 13 years ago. I'm pretty sure like this, either I got this the year my oldest grandchild was born or right before they were born. These were clearanced out at Joann's. I know I bought these at Joann's. I have some that were like 99 cents when I bought them and some that were like $2.99 when I bought them. These are great. I really miss this line. This is 80% wool, 20% alpaca. And of course my ring light is going to give me the business here. But these were part of the $2.99, originally $5.99. These are 85 grams per skein. So I have been working on a shawl. This is the rodeo shawl. It is a free pattern from Premier Yarns. I will leave a link in the description box down below. So I've done the establishing section and 1 repeat of the pattern, or I think maybe all of this is establishing and now I'm in the 2nd repeat. But either way, that is what I am working on. I am going to do the body of the shawl in the teal, and I am going to do the lace edge in the eggplant color. So I don't know how much you can see, but this entire section here is a separate section. And I'm going to do that whole section in the purple. So it'll be a teal shawl with a purple edge on it. I'm very excited about this. I think this will be a perfect way to use this yarn. I did fold everything back so it fits on one of my little mini clipboards. So it's all nice and cute. And we got everything set up in a little basket. So anyway, I would normally, like if I hadn't done Project Christmas Blanket this year, this is one of those things where I would have normally finished the shawl by now already because this is a very easy pattern, but Project Christmas Blanket. So I am very, very, very hard working away on these Christmas blankets. I'm still stuck at 3 finished, 7 left to go. And 2 are unstarted completely. So, and 1 might get frogged and restarted. It's a different blanket. I'm not panicking. Not at all. Just a little. So you guys went into your stashes. A number of you guys have been sharing already. So I do want to share what you guys are working on real quick. All right, so that is what you guys have been working on. I've got my shawl that I am working on. We are all doing fantastic. Once again, I would like to reiterate, this isn't a month where finishing a project is mandatory. This is more about, once again, getting into our stash, really using our stash and utilizing our stash this year. All of these months make-alongs have really been focused on what we already have versus what we need to bring in to do other projects. So this isn't about finishing. Some months have been, but this is not about finishing projects. This is about really knowing our stash, getting in there and working on things. So I am going to run. Nothing bad has happened. It's just my entire schedule got flipped around. Since we're not going to have a show and tell this week, I'll just go ahead and let you know, like, we have plumbers coming in and out of the house this week because things. We did some plumbing this weekend, so things. And I have doctor's appointments that have gotten shuffled around. So very tired, very excited, very exhausted. And it will continue for the rest of the week. So having low energy with the anemia, at the same time, my schedule just like went bloof. Yeah. So what are you working on? Don't forget to share. You can share in the Facebook group. You can send a message through, if you find me on Ravelry, Instagram, my email, all linked in the description box down below. But we also have a Ravelry group. So if you feel better sharing on Ravelry versus Facebook or any other like private ways, send them on over. Send them on over. For these, I may not always be replying to the emails, but your pictures should be appearing in the mid-month touch base, as well as the end of the month review and final video. So if for some reason I'm not getting your pictures, do reach out and let me know. But I'm not always replying to the DMs and emails when it is related to the MAL, just because time. So anyway, I love you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day. Please take care of yourselves. Continue the amazing work you guys are doing. I am so proud of you guys, and I am having so much fun. If you do have ideas for next year's make-alongs, let me know. I love you guys. Bye.